Welcome to Science and Science Only channel. We bring you the wonders of technology and innovation that will leave you amazed and inspired. Dive into the world of drone building, witness the evolution of drones from quadcopter to bicopter. Learn about the intricate components and explore the limitless possibilities of drone technology. Get a behind the scenes look at the design, building robots and controlling it using mobile. Unlock the mysteries of artificial intelligence as we explore its impact on various fields. Discover how machines are learning, adapting, and making decisions. We have demonstrated object and face detection projects using Pictoblox as well as controlling robots with a voice. Dive into the realm of data science where patterns, insights, and predictions come to life. Witness real life examples of data driven decision making, sentiment analysis, data visualization using Sankey diagrams, choropleth maps, and graph visualization using Neo4j. Join us on the Science and Science Only channel as we bring you the most fascinating and exciting contents from the world of drone building, robot building, automation, artificial intelligence, and data science. Subscribe now and embark on a journey of discovery with us. Remember, on the Science and Science Only channel, the wonders of science are just a click away.